Alrighty guys, so that is now plugged in. So as you can see, the cable that comes out of the dash cam just goes into there, and then that goes straight into the head unit. That could be uncoiled, but I'm just going to leave it coiled just so it's neat for now. You can stow it away anywhere you can. And the way to access it is you just want to scroll across here to DVR. And as you can see, a live feed of the camera will pop up, so I can wave my hand over it there, you can see it. And the way this works, if you tap the menu, you can see the snap, recording, lock, mic, playback, cycle time, and setup. A lot of the stuff in setup you can actually just do out here. So if I go to setup, you can see you can change the cycle time and the mic here. So you can turn on the mic, turn off the mic. That just does as you'd expect. If you turn off the mic, it won't record any sound, but if you keep it on, it'll record sound. And cycle time is how far back you want it to go. So the way it works is if I had this set to 1 minute, and if you wanted to change it, you just, sorry, that's the wrong button. You just tap it here, and it changed to 2, 3, missed it again, or 5. And then it will just go back to 1 when you tap it again. So if I've got it on 1 minute, and I hit back here, and then I hit recording, it'll just go back, oh sorry, if I hit recording, that'll go back and record the last minute. And where I can see that is in Playback. So in here is all the different things that you have downloaded, and this will come from the SD card that you've got on the dash cam itself. So as you can see, there's like a little slot in there, that's where the SD card comes, that SD card goes. One would have come with the kit, but it'll work with any SD card, so you just put it in there, and they're all stored in here. So if I were to open one up, as you can see, that's just one that I've recorded at some point to test it. It's obviously not a full minute there because I'd only just plugged in the dash cam and then hit record, but if it's been unplugged for a while, it'll do the full minute. And then you can also just get pictures. So if you had snap, that would take a picture. And yeah, that's the gist of it.